Sometimes a garden becomes truly memorable not because of expensive materials, but because of an interesting idea. An unusual shape, an unexpected accent, or a bold design decision can completely change the perception of a space. This video features ideas that make you stop, examine the details, and think, I could do that in my own home. Watch until the end. The most expressive solutions are often hidden in simple details. A bench can be not only comfortable, but also decorative. 2 trees, large planters, and a simple board transform a lawn into a cozy place to relax. A simple tree can look like a designer art object. Such a column adds height, character, and beautiful natural texture to a garden. For a summer party, a barrel easily transforms into a bar table, and a garden wheelbarrow filled with ice doubles as a large refrigerator. Here, all the beauty lies in the natural form of wood. Jagged edges, knots, and cuts make the furniture feel alive, not factory fabricated. If you have a large log left on your property, don't rush to remove it. You can make a unique chair out of it that will become the focal point of your garden. Here, plants act as a roof and walls. They soften the space, and a swing makes the composition even more inviting. Raised wooden flower beds here don't just frame the plants, but define the shape of the entire seating area around the table. Don't rush to throw out that old barrel. Cut it lengthwise, plant some plants, and an ordinary corner of the garden will instantly become much more interesting. Wooden posts can make a beautiful border for a flower bed. This shape looks natural, neatly separates the plantings, and adds a warm, natural character to the garden. This arch beautifully marks the entrance to the garden. It doesn't completely close off the space, but immediately shows where a new area begins. An old cart can easily become a portable flower bed. It can be placed on the lawn, near the porch, or anywhere else that needs a bright accent. A brick fireplace with a hanging grate combines the fire pit and grill, making the space both decorative and useful.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.